here's our problem. Clutch handle, no cable. So I bought this. All I wanted was the cable part, but they only sold it with the rubber outer. It's not even the right size, but I think it should work well enough. Basically just gonna take this cable and run it down through here. Down to here, this guy. This cable right here. So that's what we gotta do. Just gonna use our toolkit here. And also James's mini Leatherman. Here's the old cable coming out. Got it. There we go. Kind of long. So we got the cable out and we taken the old cable lock, I guess you'd call it, off. Now we need to remove the handle here. Pretty simple. Phillips on top. Lock nut on bottom. Okay. Cut the handle off. 2 washers. Missing one, but it's fine. My screwdriver's broken, so that was harder than I had expected. Okay, so old cable. Here's the new cable. We don't need this rubber housing, so we're just gonna take it and pull it out and feed it into there. Hopefully it's easy enough. Okay, so we had a hiccup. Knew this could have happened because the old frayed cable probably tore up the inside of this rubber housing. So we can't get the cable to go into the old one. So the next step is going to be to remove the headlamp and see if we can get it in that way. So we're popped this off, but couldn't get it all the way off because that stuff. What we're dealing with is, so got to get this white guy dealt with. Just need a little massaging. Got it in there. Oh, and it already went through the arm. Wow, it was like it's made perfect. Okay, so just have to put a clamp on that and the handle back on, and we should be in business soon. Okay, handle time. Handle, 2 washers, the center pin. That's what we got to do now. And this is where this cable is kind of concerning because it's not the right shape. So I hope it's not a problem, but yeah, it's not supposed to be that shape, but I hope it works. So yeah, we just got to get the washer in the right spot and that center pin in, and the lock nut is on there. One step closer. Okay, the progress continues. We've got handle on with some good play, nice and smooth. Headlights or gauge back on, headlight back on and aligned, allegedly. Now for the hard part, tightening this thing back up. So we got to come take this piece, put the cable through there. We put this piece on there to clamp it tight, and that's what we got to do. We had to take this little cover off. It's just 3 screws. Kind of a mess in here. This thing's kind of a problem, but it's weird. These 3 screws, one's a Phillips, one's a flathead, one's an 11mm. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. Now we have a clearer view of this. Okay, hopefully we should be able to take care of this now. Took a couple tries. We got this guy locked on there. And now we've been spinning. So you spin this bit. This piece right here. Moves this in and out. To get your fine adjustment, to get your pedal exactly. I might go a tiny bit looser, actually. Give it a few spins. This is how it works. You just, it's not the fastest process. That's really all I want to do. And then this nut right here, you tighten it down to lock it in place. And then we should be actually good to go. Got to button this guy back on, put our side cowl back on. Then I think I'm going to take it for a little test spin. Got this plastic cover on, side cowl on. Now it's a matter of packing up the tools. Let's go. Put up the towel. get that folded up, stowed away, and we will be testing it out. Tools stowed away in here on